Assalamualaikum. This is our assignment one for the subject BMKH 1413, Fundamental of HVAC Electric and Electronic. Our lecturer's name is Dr. Muhammad Firdaus, and this assignment includes four students in one group. So this is our group members, which is the first one is me, one Muhammad Akib bin Muhammad Sharif, and metric number is B1324221. And the second one is Tania Iman bin Baharul Fuadi, and his metric number is B1324222. And the third one is Haris Dini bin Zaiti Akhtar, and his metric number is B1324236. And the last one is Muhammad Hanafi bin Muhammad Ihsan, and his metric number is B1324213.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanafi bin Muhammad Ihsan. I'm from BMKH, first year BMKH. Number matrix B1324 20013. So today, my group and I will present about my group assignment, which is the title is Split Air Conditioning Technologies. So for the introduction, in the recent the demand for the air conditioning is rising through the year, especially where the high temperature and humidity throughout the country, like the country Malaysia, of course Malaysia. So the split air conditioning system are now common in the feature of homes, feature at office, feature that place that no air, that hot. So their compact design and target cooling capabilities. So this assignment is to explore the three models of split air conditioning with different energy rating. So it compare their specification, their latest electronic and electrical technologies, and is to understanding and applying this concept through the 3D model, and is essential for the future engineering aiming to design and recommend the system that we are both technologically advanced and environmentally responsible.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wan Muhammad Akib bin Muhammad Sharif. I'm from BMKH and my metric number is B1324221. So today I will present the Exxon Renault Plus Split Air Conditioner, which stands out as one of the energy efficient model available in Malaysia, proudly holding a 5-star energy rating from the Energy Commission. The Exxon Renault Plus is designed for optimal comfort and maximum energy savings. It uses advanced inverter technology, which allows the compressor to adjust its speed based on cooling demand. This avoids the frequent on-off seen in non-inverter models, reducing electricity consumption significantly. Let me highlight some of its key features. First, iClean Plus technology, a self-cleaning function that frees and melts the evaporator coil to flush away dirt, bacteria, and dust. This not only ensures cleaner air but uh, also keeps the system running efficiently over time. Next, we have silent mode and sleep mode, which make the unit whisper quiet and automatically um, adjust the temperature at night for better comfort and lower energy use. It also includes turbo mode for rapid cooling, ideal when you need to cool down a hot room quietly. Plus, there's a self-diagnosis system which make it easier for user to detect errors or malfunctions early, preventing bigger issues. And importantly, the unit use R32 refrigerant, which has a lower global warming potential and better energy performance compared to older refrigerants like R410A. So, how do these technologies improve energy efficiency? The Evinter compressor keeps the temperature stable while using minimal power. The self-cleaning system ensures the heat exchanger stays clean, maintaining peak performance and avoiding energy loss. And with its verified 5-star rating, the Exxon Reno Plus is confirmed to be one of the most energy efficient choice on the market, offering both environmental benefit and long-term electricity savings. Uh, for the summary, the Exxon Reno Plus is not just about cooling; it's about smart, sustainable, and cost-effective cooling. It combines cutting-edge technologies with top-tier energy performance, making it an excellent choice for users who care about both comfort and environmental impact. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Now I will be talking about the Panasonic X Deluxe KU series, a 4-star energy rated air conditioner that combines smart features, efficient cooling, and advanced air purification. This model is ideal for modern urban homes where air quality and energy saving are both important. Okay, one of its most impressive technologies is the Nano X air purification system. It works by releasing nano-sized water particles that contain hydroxyl radicals. These radicals help to inhibit harmful substances like bacteria, virus, allergen, and even odors. What makes this system unique is that it purifies the air continuously even when the cooling function is off. So, you are not just cooling your room, but you are constantly improving indoor air quality. Okay. Next, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing users to control the air conditioner remotely through the Panasonic Comfort Cloud app. This means you can schedule when the aircons turn on or off, monitor energy usage, and make adjustments on the go, all from your smartphone. It's perfect for people with busy schedule or smart home setups. Okay. Next, another key feature is the Eco Mode with artificial intelligence. This feature sense the room temperature and adjust the compressor output accordingly, reducing unnecessary power use, and combined with the inverter compressor, which control cooling output with high precision. The unit helps avoid power surge and cut down on electricity bills. Okay. To ensure long-term performance, the unit uses a bluefin condenser with anti-corrosion coating. This helps it withstand tough conditions, making it more durable and efficient over time. All these All these features contribute to its 4-star energy rating, which offers a great balance between performance and energy savings. Plus, because the air stays clean, the filters and internal parts stay cleaner for longer, helping the aircon run efficiently over time. Okay, in the summary, the Panasonic X Deluxe KU series is not just about cooling, it's about a smarter living, cleaner air, and lower electricity bills. An excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in a long-lasting, efficient, and health-focused air conditioning solution. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Haris, and I will be presenting the Media Newman Deluxe Inverter, a smart air conditioner that combines affordability with intelligent energy saving features. The Newman Deluxe is a 3-star rated inverter air conditioner from Media. While it is positioned as a budget option, it stands out because of its smart technologies and efficient cooling performance. Let's go over some of its innovative features. The AI-powered EcoMaster. This system adapts cooling automatically based on how the room is used in real time. It avoids overcooling and saves power by learning from room conditions. The next one is Cool Flash technology. This enables the air conditioner to cool a room 20% faster than a standard model. It is ideal for a quick relief during a hot weather. So, for the third one is iClean Frost Cleaning. It is a self-clean function that uses frost to remove dust from the evaporator coil. This helps maintain airflow and reduce performance drops over time. The next one is iEco mode. What is this? When less cooling is needed, like during the night, this mode limits power usage to cut down on electricity costs. Okay, for the last one is the smart Wi-Fi controls. Through the Media apps, user can control the air conditioner remotely and run the basic diagnostic. Very convenient and user-friendly by using their mobile phone. On the energy efficiency contribution, even with a 3-star rating, the Newman Deluxe performs well. It is because it has AI-based control, ensure the compressor isn't overused, extending lifespan and saving energy. The next one is the frost cleaning. It is prevent the dust buildup and which would otherwise cause more energy use. So, although it is not high rated in terms of star, it is technically smart and energy conscious, especially for its price. Why these things matter? This model is a great example of how modern inverter technology and smart features can boost energy performance even in lower rated models. It is cost effective, efficient, and built for everyday smart use. Thank you.
So now I will tell you about the specification comparison with these three model, which is the model is Exxon Renault Plus, the second is Panasonic X Deluxe KU, the third one is Media Newman Deluxe. So we can see at the slide that these three model have a different energy efficiency. We can see the different with cooling technologies. We can see the cleaning technologies is different too. The smart control and the refrigerant capacity. Additional feature, of course, she has the different additional feature and target user, of course. So next, for the conclusion, throughout this year, the comparison of these 3 air conditioner, it's become clear that the technological advancement are pivotal in driving energy efficiency in a modern of HVAC system. Each model is leverage key feature. She has many features such as inverter technology, eco-friendly refrigerant, and the intelligent control system that can minimize the power usage of the target the owner while maximizing cooling performance and comfort. So the integration of smart electronic and sustainable technology not only lower energy bills but also align with your national goal for the energy conservation and environmental protection. So that's all from us. Thank you.